Sonucha. Sonucha.
What's up, family? This is your man, not your boy, Go Black to Africa. So I made it to my destination down here in the Igbo land. Aguleri.
Precisely. Yeah.
Yes. And this is King
Fidelis. Akuba Okafo.
Okay.
Yeah.
He is a king, a representative in
Igbo community in the Republic of Guinea.
In Guinea.
Yes.
So I was in Ghana, and the king there of the Igbo people in Ghana,
yeah.
Yes, he connected me with the king here, who would show me around and kind of also introduce me to the king that's of all the Igbo people.
Yes.
What is his majesty's name?
His Majesty Chukwuemeka Eri.
Chukwuemeka Eri.
Yeah, Akatio for the 34th. He's the one sitting on the Eri throne.
He's the one sitting on the Eri throne.
Yeah, the Eri is the 5th son of God, and God the 7th son of Jacob.
Now hold up.
Yeah.
You probably didn't catch what he just said. Say that one more time.
Oh, good. What I'm saying is, he is going to meet the king.
I'm going to meet the king.
Yeah,
yep.
Who is sitting on the Eri throne.
Yes.
Eri is the 5th son of God, and God is the 7th son of Jacob.
The 5th son of God. Now you gotta understand something.
Yeah.
That is God, G-A-D, who is part of the 12 tribes of Israel. He's the 5th son
of God. While God is the 7th son of Jacob.
So God had his 5th son was Eri. And Eri is
the father, the progenitor of Igbo race.
Of the Igbo race.
Yes.
So we are here in Igbo land, and they're going to show me around.
Yes.
They're going to introduce me to the king.
Yeah.
You said 34th?
Yeah, he's the 34th in line.
In line.
The 34th king on that throne.
Yes.
Yes.
Now
there have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 33.
Yes.
He's the 34th.
34th.
Yeah.
Okay. Does he speak English?
Not really.
Yeah.
But they're going to be introduction. What I mean, interpretation.
Interpretation. Yes. I saw a video of him. I didn't see him speak English.
No, he doesn't speak English.
Yeah. We got an exciting tour. You're going to show me around, introduce me to people, and all that right there.
Yeah.
I got one question for you.
Okay.
Maybe 2 or 3.
5, 10, 20.
How long you been a king?
Yeah. I took this position on the 13th of September 2013. 2013. So this is the 11th year.
11th year.
Yeah.
How do one become a king?
Actually, it's not something that was imposed on me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something I took upon myself because of the situation on ground then, you know. When we see that our community does not have leadership, and we face some kind of persecution, we face some kind of intimidation, harassment, because we are in a foreign country. You know,
Guinea, you speak of Guinea.
Yeah, we're talking about Guinea.
Yeah.
So then our people decide it's in our tradition to have a leader.
Yes.
A cultural or a traditional leadership.
Yes.
Anywhere outside Igbo land.
Okay.
Anywhere we go, anytime we are outside Igbo land.
Yes.
We select among ourselves a cultural leader who is also referred as king.
Referred to as king.
Yeah.
Okay.
So apart from the president general of the community, we have a cultural leadership as well.
You all got to understand what he's saying is that they have a representative and be the voice for the people in the country you're in. So the Igbo has a leader, which is a king, and any issues or problems or things that need to be taken care of.
That is related to tradition.
Related to tradition.
Yes.
Okay.
The king took it.
Yeah.
That's the king's responsibility to solve that.
Yes.
Yeah, but if it's something that relates to a kind of administration like embassy, foreign affairs, internal affairs,
yes,
we have whom we call President General.
President General.
Yeah, the President General of the community.
Okay.
Yeah, but the President General is under the king.
He's under you.
Yes.
Okay. So he'll take care of people's passports, visas.
That's the work of the President General.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, he'll take care of that.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. And family, you know, being African American in America, you know, we don't have a representative.
Oh, okay.
You know,
the representative is your embassy.
Well, it's an embassy, but black people have no representation. Black people don't have representation in America. You know, we were stamped American during slavery.
Okay.
We didn't get the choice to come back to Africa. They just said you're American citizen.
Yes, yes.
But we always needed a representative because our best interest was not looked after. You understand?
Oh, yeah.
So I understand how you are, because I understand the Torah.
Yeah. Okay.
You must have leadership.
Yes.
For the people.
Yeah.
No matter where they are, they must have leadership.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. We're gonna get in more into the Igbo people and the tradition, because you all have this oral tradition that you say you're from the tribe of God.
Yeah.
Who his fifth son was Eri.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And
he is the seventh son of Jacob.
And he's the seventh son of Jacob.
Yes.
So
and Jacob, the third son of Abraham.
Yes, third son of Abraham.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna get into it, family, and we're gonna dig a little deeper.
Yeah.
Thank you to the king for receiving me today. I got here safely, and we're gonna continue on. I'm gonna meet the king here in Igbo land.
Yeah, Aguilera.
Yeah. And we're gonna have really a history lesson.
Yes.
For us, by us, our narrative. So appreciate you again.
Thank you very much.
This is your man, not your boy. Go black to Africa.